Ever feel like you're drowning in to-do lists and scattered projects? You're not alone. In today's digital age, staying organized and keeping track of everything can feel like an impossible feat. That's where project management tools come in, promising a streamlined workflow and a sigh of relief. One name that's been popping up a lot lately is ClickUp. With its impressive feature set and claims of unlimited users and tasks, it sounds like a dream come true for businesses of all sizes. But here's the real question. Can you actually use ClickUp for free for commercial use? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. ClickUp does offer a free forever plan that's surprisingly generous. You get unlimited users, which is a major perk compared to competitors that restrict free accounts to individual users. You can create tasks, lists, and even collaborate with your team on documents. It's a project management Swiss Army knife right at your fingertips for free. So where's the catch? Well, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. The first is storage. The free plan comes with a measly 100 megabytes, which might not sound like much, but it fills up faster than you think when you start attaching files and documents. Another limitation is the number of projects. While tasks are unlimited, you're capped at 5 projects on the free plan. This might be okay for a solopreneur or a small team with a handful of ongoing tasks, but for any serious commercial use, 5 projects simply won't cut it. Then there are the features. The free plan gives you a taste of ClickUp's robust functionality, but some of the most powerful tools are locked behind a paywall. Automation builders, advanced time tracking, and custom fields are just a few examples. These features can be game changers for streamlining workflows and boosting productivity, but they're absent from the free tier. Here's the thing. ClickUp's free plan is fantastic for what it is. It's a great way to test the waters, see if the platform gels with your team, and get a feel for its capabilities. But for commercial use, the limitations become real roadblocks. Let's say you're a marketing agency managing multiple client campaigns. 5 projects just won't suffice. You'll need a way to organize each campaign with its own tasks, deadlines, and communication channels. The lack of advanced features like custom fields also hinders your ability to track specific data points crucial for client reporting. So, here's the bottom line. ClickUp can be a valuable tool for commercial use, but the free plan isn't a viable long-term solution for most businesses. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks the true potential of ClickUp, allowing you to manage complex projects, automate workflows, and gain valuable insights. The good news is ClickUp's paid plans are competitively priced, starting at just $7 per user per month. It's an investment that can pay off handsomely in terms of increased efficiency and productivity. Ultimately, the decision of whether ClickUp is right for your business depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a small team just starting out, the free plan might be a good starting point. But for serious commercial use, consider upgrading to a paid plan to unlock the full power of ClickUp. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.